No, people, are breaking news that one here, you know. Somebody will know something. Somebody will know something. Somebody will hear something. You need to link the beer and make the beer know what I go on. Because I need to give beer information on that topic here. Cause right now, me as a black Ryno crash and dead. You know what I mean? I don't know what kind of science are going on in the leap here, but a beer people are drop off of the earth here. You see me, I say beer people are drop off. Me are telling you people what go on. I don't know if it's science, I don't know if it's hobby, I don't know what. You know what I mean? But be a phenomenal people are drop off of the earth and some bad mind and hate and some like envious people nah drop off, you know. You see me I say, cause watch you now. Black Ryno is a great artist. You know what I mean? He do a whole heap of good songs representing for the Gaza, you know what I mean? Until him left on the moon and I do his own thing. You see me I say? You know what I mean? I know the artist must have albums where I work on, you know what I mean? And I put in some work for forward out, you know what I mean? I represent dancehall on a certain level. So, you know what I mean? It would have hurt my heart to hear this. You see me I say people, because I need somebody for comment, I need somebody for link me, I need somebody for come, I need to tell me, I need to, you know what I mean, comment, you know what I mean, below, and I need to send me a message, I know what I go on, because I want to know if the artist really drop out. You see me I say? And the artists them, the braffing and flossing, nice. You see me? So they need to get a chauffeur. You know say, orange, you know what I mean? Orange beverage, you see me I say, orange drink. The one that consume or some fruit drink, you see me I say? The one that consume. So when you can reach home safely, because remember, you know, we have fans out there and family, you know, so you can't just give on the 3 stripe them way there, you see me I say, under the influence. Braffing nice, yes. You see me I say floss and endorse nice, yes. But when time you're under the influence, whole heap of things can happen. You see me I say my artists them. You hear me I telling you. See? So I don't know if I something true. I don't know if I lie. I don't know what I go on, cause you know what I mean, it's a liability. So me I say, so I just push out the information. You see me I say? You know what I mean? I need to know if it's true. We need to know what go on. You know what I mean? That's my ball out right now.